Today we will have a debate about whether JLS should increase the number of math days to twice a week or not. The first speaker from the affirmative team, go ahead.
JLS should increase the number of math lessons to twice a week. Math is really important in Korea. If you only do English in America and JLS, you will be really bad at math in Korea and will need to rush and be in a hurried way. Then you will be very bad. She or he can also improve math and be better at American schools. He or she can also ask your math teacher and learn it in Korean and get taught better. The student will not forget Korean by speaking Korean and not only speaking English in America. Also, you can make new friends in math class because it gets mixed up instead of only English classes every day. Math class should be twice a week.
Thank you. The first speaker from the negative team, go ahead.
I think JLS should not increase the days of math because one day of math is enough for students and the students are actually doing every day of math. I think one day of math is enough for students because there's 5 days of JLS days, and when you do 2 days of math, there's 2/5, which means it's almost half of the learning days. And I think JLS students are doing math every day because students do homework in their house, so they're actually doing math every day. This is why I think JLS should not increase the days of math.
Thank you. The second person from the affirmative team.
I think JLS should do math twice a week. Students always need to talk English on homestay. Also, students have to talk English on school. When you're doing study abroad in JLS, you need to speak English. Then you will learn a lot of English, so you don't need to worry about English a lot. So I think JLS should do math twice a week. Also, if you don't do math twice a week, then you will get failed at math skills. When you go back to Korea, then you will lose your pace, so your classmates will be more above, and you cannot follow their class. Also, you can be stressed out by English when you do 3 days of English. So, I think JLS should do math twice a week.
Thank you. The second person from the negative team.
JLS should not have 2 days of math because students should always study math at their own schools, and they don't need to study math in JLS 2 days, and they'll just be stressed about it. And learning Korean math 2 days a week will disturb and irritate them from learning English and doing their own school's homework and doing their JLS English homework. At school, at their own schools, they'll do math they'll do their math. And if they do their math, it's similar to Korean math. So it'll be easy to catch up on when they go back to Korea. And also, if they go back to Korea, they can learn the Korean math when they go back.
Thank you. You guys will have a minute to get ready for the rebuttal stage.
Sometimes you learn that these learns of breathing. You won't be able to do it. Like, so So you said that. And Hank, you said one day math is in a not enough for students because when it's not, you can get the house. Not just don't you do everything math to be doing like that to forget, but if you only do one day, it's forced to 2 days. I'll see you can practice more.
Alright, we will begin the rebuttal stage. Jimmy, you can go ahead.
Jenna said that you don't have to worry about English because you learn English in your home state, but I think it's not enough just to learn English in your home state.
Okay, Jenna.
Hank said that it's not enough for students. It is enough for students when you do 1 day of math, but you could forget at 1 week because you did only 1 day. Also, Jimmy said that you can. It will be, if you do there. It is not disturbing. It's not disturbed because it has little amount of homework. But Jimmy said that it will disturb by learning English and doing 2 days of math.
All right, Hank.
Daniel said that Korea cares a lot about math, but JLS is for English. And you guys both said that, like, when they say English every day, it'll be tired, but when you're used to using English, it'll be easier for, like, other times when you're using English.
Thank you, Daniel.
Jimmy said that Korean math is similar with American math, but it's like very different because in like other schools you sometimes learn hard stuff or you learn easy stuff, you learn fast, or in Korea or America you learn more shortcuts or things, so it's really different.
Okay, thank you.